Hello coders! Today we are going to solve the 12th problem of famous Leetcode SQL 50 playlist. Today's problem is students and examination. Let us understand the problem statement and the table schema. Here we have three tables: students, subjects and examination. The student table has student ID and student name, and the subject table has subject name. The examination table has student ID and the subject name. Here the examination table has no primary key, that is the examination table can have duplicate values. That's the thing. So what is the problem statement? Write a solution to find the number of times each student attended each exam. Return the result table ordered by student ID and the subject name. So what is given is you have to return the number of times a student has written an subject's exam. Like here you can see that there are four students: Alice, Bob, John and Alex. There are three subjects: math, physics and programming. And the number of times the students had attended the exams are given in the examinations table. So let us first observe the output. Um, in the output, by only observing the first three columns, you can see a pattern here, which is cross join. What I mean is, the student Alice is cross joined with all the subjects in the subject table. Also, the student Bob, Alex, John, everyone is cross joined with every subject in the subject table. So that is the first step. You have to cross join all the subjects that are available with all the students. So upon doing this, you will be availed with the three column output. So what is it? What is it? After performing cross join, you will have a table with three columns, that is student ID, name and subject name. You have to left join this table with the examination table. Upon doing that, you will get this attended exam table. So I think the question is pretty clear now. Let's jump into the coding part. After writing the query, it will be very clear for you people. So let me write the code. Select what they have asked: student ID. Student ID is from the student table. I'm giving the student table alias as yes, and the student name and the subject name SU dot subject name and count of SU dot subject. We can't print it like SU dot subject, so we are writing it as, we are giving another name, alias name for it. Exams. So we have chosen all the column names. After that, from where it will be taken from? Student. Students. Students, yes. We are going to cross join it. Cross join with the subjects table. And after performing cross join, you will get these three columns. So after performing the cross join, you have to perform left join. So from the output from these two from this join will be left join with the examination table. So left join examinations E. Okay, on student id equal to examination dot student id uh, subject name e dot subject name. Uh, After the on keyword, these two lines are used to uh, give the relationship between the tables. The student table's student ID and the examination student IDs are matched, and the subject table subject name and the examination table subject names are getting matched. After have to return the number of times uh, one student, like we can take that the number of time Alex has given physics subject, so we have to give that count. So we are going to group the student, group by the student. First group the student like Alex, then use its name, and with the subject. So this helps us to count the number of times he has written the exam. And in the question itself, they have mentioned that you have to order this table with the student name and the subject name. So order it. Ordered by student ID and subject name. The subject's alias is SU. So let's try to run it. Again we are getting an error, which is okay, we have to change this as E. Now it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it. Thank you for watching.